अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे द लॉ ऑफ सिमिलर्स। द लॉ ऑफ सिमिलर्स इज़ द फर्स्ट रूल ऑफ आवर होम्योपैथिक थियरी। इट्स अ लैटिन टर्म सिमिलिया सिमिलिबस सैनिटोर। इसका ये मतलब है लाइक क्योर्स लाइक, like with like. Symptoms produced by the disease are cured by something that produces similar side effects. So, कोई भी सब्सटेंस, आपको पता है कि हमारी होम्योपैथिक मटीरिया मेडिका में हज़ारों सब्सटेंसेस हैं that we use for cures, and they can be from any kingdom, the plant kingdom, the animal kingdom, the human kingdom, the mineral kingdom. Anything which shares cosmic energy with each other can produce a curative effect. So, इसका ये मतलब है कि any substance that can produce a totality of symptoms in a healthy human being can also be used to cure the totality of symptoms in a sick human being. इसका ये मतलब है कि कोई भी homeopathic substance या homeopathic medicine that we are using, अगर आप उसको healthy human being के ऊपर टेस्ट करें और करते जाएं तो कुछ दिनों बाद उस substance की वजह से organism में एक ख़ास order of symptomatology will be produced, and these are experiments or provings that prove our theory of homeopathy or of each remedy in the materia medica. इसके बारे में हम बाद में डिटेल से बात करेंगे, लेकिन suffice it to say right now that if in a sick human being we have a recording of a certain set of symptomatology that can be matched with a certain symptomatology that we have done in the provings of that substance, we can use that substance to cure the totality of symptoms in a sick human being. ये सबसे पहला और fundamental rule है of homeopathic theory, like with like.